10 Strange Places Around the World. Number 10 Area 51. Among the several strange stops on our tour is Area 51. But is it actually strange at all? This military base is about 80 miles northwest of Las Vegas. Its claim to fame is that it's supposedly the top secret site where alien bodies and technology were taken after a UFO crash landing in Roswell, New Mexico in 1947. While it's true the military base is secretive, most military bases are, many of the conspiracy claims surrounding Area 51 have been thoroughly debunked. Number 9 Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is an area bounded by points in Bermuda, Florida and Puerto Rico where ships and planes are said to mysteriously vanish into thin air, or deep water. Recently, some people have wondered if there is a Bermuda Triangle connection in the disappearance of Malaysian Airlines flight MH370, even though the jet went missing halfway around the world. Number 8 The Lost City of Atlantis. Can it be one of the weirdest places on Earth if no one knows where it is and it's actually just a legend? Let's go with yes. After all, many people are convinced that there really was a peaceful utopia that sunk beneath the sea in time immemorial, and they've tried to pinpoint it in spots all over the world. Even Google Earth once fed the legend with a data glitch that created a grid-like pattern on the ocean floor. Keen-eyed observers speculated that it might be the lost streets of Atlantis. Number 7 The Great Pyramids of Giza. The trio of pyramids at Giza is so familiar that it can be easy to forget how unusual they really are. The Great Pyramid of Khufu was built between 2589 BC and 2504 BC, and reached a height of 481 feet, 146 meters. Now consider this, Khufu's pyramid remained the tallest building in the world until the 14th century, when England's Lincoln Cathedral took the record. Plenty of mystery remains about how ancient builders constructed the huge pyramids out of 2.5-ton stones. Number 6 The Nazca Lines. The mysterious Nazca Lines are real. These enormous geoglyphs in arid coastal Peru depict spiders, monkeys, plants and other figures. They date back to about 500 BC but are best appreciated by air, though all can be seen from the ground. No one knows why the prehistoric Nazca culture went through the effort of making the geoglyphs, though they may have had a ritual role or linked up to constellations in the sky. Number 5 Loch Ness. The lake, which is in the Scottish Highlands, is the largest Scottish loch by volume. It gets as deep as 755 feet, 230 meters, and has a surface area of 21.8 square miles, 56.4 square kilometers. Perhaps this mammoth size is part of what led to rumors of a mammoth beast lurking in the lake. The Loch Ness Monster first made headlines in 1933 in an article that suggested a disturbance in the lake's surface may have been a fight between ducks. Number 4 Stonehenge. What was the purpose of this ancient icon? A burial ground? A winter solstice monument? A UFO landing site? Okay, it's probably not that last one. But Stonehenge's purpose does remain a mystery. The farmers and herders who built the structure starting 5,000 years ago continued to add to it over a period of 700 years. They left no written records behind, only a circle of striking stones near what is today Salisbury, England. Number 3 Easter Island. The giant carvings on Easter Island are up to 40 feet tall. There are about 1,000 of them, and their torsos are buried, leaving only human-like faces above ground. It remains a mystery how they were moved into place, but one leading theory is that they were walked from quarries on stone platforms. Number 2 Teotihuacan. The Great Pyramid-filled city of Teotihuacan went into decline about 1,400 years ago and was left in such ruins that no one knows who its builders were or what they called their home. The Aztecs, who would later make pilgrimages to the site, gave it its modern name, which means the place where the gods were created. But the city is best known for its expansive Avenue of the Dead and major pyramid complexes. Number 1 Angkor Wat. Among the largest religious monuments ever created, Angkor Wat stands out for its gorgeous towers and intricate artwork. The Temple City, which sits in what is now Cambodia, was built between AD 1113 and 1150. Its towers are meant to elicit the mythological Hindu mountain Mount Meru, and the temple was originally built in honor of the Hindu god Vishnu. Several hundred years later, Angkor Wat was transformed into a Buddhist site.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.